In this video, I'll guide you through how to mask in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to use a simple shape to hide or reveal parts of an image, which is really useful for creating clean thumbnails, profile pictures, or any kind of stylized graphic. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Affinity Designer on your computer. Give it a moment to load and either create a new document or open an existing one that already has an image you want to work with. If you're just practicing, you can drag any photo into a new document so you have something visible on the canvas. Once your document is open and you can see your image, look over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find the Shape tool. Depending on your settings, you might see a rectangle icon, an ellipse, or another basic shape. That's still the Shape tool. If you click and hold on that icon, you'll see a menu with more shape options. Now, select the shape you want to use for your mask. A rectangle or a circle is great for simple crops like banners or profile images, but feel free to pick any shape you like. For learning, keep it simple so it's easier to see what's happening. With your chosen shape tool active, move your cursor over the canvas. Click and drag to draw the shape. Try to draw it roughly over the area of the image you want to keep visible. You can adjust it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Once you let go, you'll see a solid shape on top of your image. If the shape isn't exactly where you want it, select the Move tool, usually shown as a black arrow at the top of the left toolbar. Use it to reposition your shape so it's sitting in front of the part of the image you want to show. You can also drag the corners or edges to resize it. The key here is that the shape must be on top of the image on the canvas because that's what you'll use as the mask. Next, shift your attention to the Layers panel, usually located on the right side of the screen. This panel shows your objects in a stack with items at the top of the list appearing in front of items below them. Here, you should see your image layer and the shape layer listed separately. To turn the shape into a mask, you're going to move the background image into the shape in the Layers panel. Click and drag the background image layer onto the shape layer slightly to the right until you see a small indicator showing it will be nested inside. Then release the mouse. As soon as you do that, the image will become masked by the shape. Only the parts of the image that fall inside the shape will remain visible, and everything outside will be hidden. You can still select the shape and move it or resize it to change which part of the image is revealed, giving you a lot of flexibility without permanently cutting anything. That's all it takes. You've just created a mask in Affinity Designer by using a simple shape in the Layers panel to control how your image is displayed.